Before you start any cleaning job with Ealing Clean, safety comes first. In this short training, we'll walk through the essential health and safety rules you must follow on every single clean. First, electrical safety. Electricity can be dangerous if you're not careful, so always follow these rules. Never plug in any electrical device without wearing your overshoes. Do not use damaged or loose power sockets. They can cause electric shock. If you accidentally spill water or detergent on an electrical device, switch it off at the mains immediately. Never use equipment that is wet or has damaged cables. If a short circuit occurs, turn off all electrical devices straight away. If you're ever unsure, stop using the equipment and report the problem. Next, floor safety. Wet floors are one of the biggest causes of accidents, so you must manage them properly. Don't soak the floors. Too much water means slow drying and slippery surfaces. Avoid walking on wet floors, and never let clients or pets walk over them either. Use warning signs where possible, and always communicate clearly with anyone at home. If people need to move through the property, leave a dry section where they can walk safely. You can speed up drying by using a dry mop or a clean towel to remove excess water. And always clean from the inside of the property toward the exit, so you're not walking back over wet floors. Now, general house safety. Before you start cleaning, take a moment to scan the entire property. Look for anything that might get in the way or cause a hazard. If cables are loose, move them carefully against the walls. Remove equipment you're not using. This helps prevent trips and falls, and keeps your workspace tidy. If people are at home while you clean, make sure they're comfortable with you working around them. Whenever possible, try to clean rooms where no one is present, so you can work safely and efficiently. Next, window cleaning and ladder use. Windows should only be cleaned on the inside. Outside windows can only be cleaned if they are easy to reach. Never stretch, lean, or take risks to reach them. If you use a domestic ladder, you must follow these rules. Only use a proper household ladder, with no more than 2 or 3 steps. Never stand on the top step. Don't climb more than 1 meter high. Never use a damaged or unstable ladder. Don't place ladders on uneven or slippery surfaces. Never lean on walls or try to balance on furniture. Only step on the ladder itself, not on anything nearby. Breaking these ladder and window rules greatly increases the risk of injury from falls or dropped objects. Always choose the safe option, even if it takes a little more time. At Ealing Clean, your safety, and the client's safety, is our top priority. If you follow these rules every time you work, you'll stay safe, confident, and professional on the job. When you're ready, continue to the next step in your application.